गोंयांत डेंगीच्या दुयेंतींची संख्या वाडची न्ही त्या खातीर भलायकी खात्यान काळजी घेवची ह्या हेतान मडगांवच्या कांय नागरिकांनी सोमारा भलायकी संचालनालयाच्या संचालकाक घेरावो घालून जाप विचारली. तशेंच भलायकी संचालनालयाच्या भलायकी केंद्रा वयल्यान घेवपाक जाय तशी जतनाय घेनात अशी कागाळ केल्या.
डिपार्टमेंट जें आसा मडगांवां फातोर्डा तांचे कडेन सारके फॅसिलिटीज ना, तांचे कडेन फॉगिंग मशीन ना, तांचे कडेन वखद मारपा मनीस ना, प्लस मनीस कमी आसा. हें सगळें ताचे कडेन मांडपा आयिल्लें तें आमी ताका सांगलां. ताणें आमकां प्रॉमीस केलां की फाल्यां कशा भशेन फॉगिंग चालू करता. दे आर गोईंग टू हॅव अ मिटींग विथ द हेल्थ ऑफिसर्स. कितेंय करात पूण लोक जे पळय दुयेंत पडटा हे डेंग्यू लागून, आतां बोर्दा म्हण, फातोर्डा म्हणत, मडगांव आखे हे एरिये पळय लोक पळय दुयेंत पडपाक लागला. ताका लागून तांणी कितें तरी इमिजिएटली सोल्युशन काडपाक जाय. कांय थोडेच एरिये भितर फॉगिंग करून ताजेर उपयोग जावपा ना. लोकां कडेनय म्हजी मागणी आसा की ताणें सभोवताली आपल्या घरा भोंवतणची एरिया निवळ दवरची आनी उदक बी साचना ही जबाबदारी ताणें घेवची की सरावंडींग एरिया भितर उदक उरूं जायना, तातूंत मॉस्किटो हे ब्रीड जाता आनी सकाळी फुडें चडशे हे मॉस्किटो एटॅक करता. लोकांनी हाची खबरदारी घेवची. हांचेर तर म्हजो सामकोच विश्वास ना की ते करता म्हणटा खरें, पूण वस्तुस्थिती जर तुमी मडगांवचून पळयात जाल्यार तातूंत त्या ऑफिसा भितर 2-4 जाण दिश्टी पडटा. दॅट्स इट.
गोंयभर आशिल्ल्या भलायकी खात्यां कडल्यान लोकांक डेंगी जावची न्ही हाची जतनाय घेतात. तशेंच जळारां मारपा खातीर जाय तेन्ना फॉगिंग करतात अशी माहिती संचालक आनी ताच्या दोतोरांच्या टिमीन दिल्या.
3 persons came here regarding the situation of fever cases and dengue in Margao, and they wanted to know the statistics, which the statistics we have provided to them. Amitaka kide, you want me in Konkani or English?
Yeah, it's okay.
In English is okay? Yeah. So whatever they had asked, we have given them the data, all the figures about not only about Margao but all over Goa. How many fever cases are there, how many dengue cases are there, how many malaria cases are there. Now their contention is that the health officer of Margao is not acting properly in relation to control of vector-borne diseases, and but as per our knowledge here, she has been taking all the steps as far as the control of vector-borne diseases are concerned. Now vector-borne diseases, see, we have to see first is fever cases, surveys that we do. We identify the areas where the fever outbreaks are there, and there we do the test for malaria, we do the test for dengue, and all the precautions we take. Not only that, wherever there is collection of waters, there also we take we get rid of the source. We call it as source reduction. म्हणजे कितें जंयसर झाडां जाता ते सोर्स झाडां जाता ते we have to get rid of those sources. That also we take care. We also take care of, and wherever the chemicals are to be put in the drains, that also our workers are doing. Then we also do the fogging. Fogging has got a knockdown effect on the adult mosquitoes. So we do fever surveys, we do cleanliness drives, we do anti-larval measures, biological measures, as well as the chemical measures, and we do also the fogging operation. Now their contention is that their machines are not there. But our program officer, Dr. Palekar, has just confirmed to them that we have supplied 4 big machines for fogging to be done in Margao area. But still, we have given the assurance to them. We will call the health officer today afternoon itself. We will take a review of. We have been taking review on weekly basis. Every week we do. But since they wanted now, we will call today itself again the health officer, and we will review the program, what is happening in the Margao, and wherever there is shortfalls, we will try to rectify. But as for our knowledge, because this program we are monitoring every week, and every day-to-day reporting is going on as per how many cases are there in private, how many cases are there in the government. So daily reporting is there of the cases, and every week the health officer comes here to DHS, and we have been monitoring the program. Not only Margao, we monitor Margao, Vasco, all the Kandolem, Aldona, Porvorim, all the areas where we suspect risk areas are there. We monitor every weekly basis, and the health officers come here and give us the report, and we review the activities undertaken by them. At the same time, on daily reporting is there, where we daily figures we get, and daily action taken by them, we reports we are getting. But still, since they have come here all the way and they have raised the issues, we will call the health officer today itself, and we will review again, and we will, whatever suggestions they have made or whatever shortfalls they have pointed to us, we will see that it is done in future. He will tell you, he is Dr. Palekar, and he will tell you about, because he is the program officer.
As per the need, we have given them the fogging machine. The high risk areas like say Panji, Madgaon, Kandolim, they have been given more number of fogging machine. On an average, 4 fogging machine. Where there are low risk areas, they are having 2 fogging machine. And all these fogging activities has to be conducted mainly disease oriented. As per the people who have discussed now, they wanted to fog entire locality, entire wards. That is not recommended as per the program guidelines. Whatever we do, fogging is the last method to knock down the infected mosquito population, if any. But at the same time, we should take all the precautions that the mosquitoes don't emerge after fogging. That guarantee should be there. Fogging is not a continuous process. Fogging is done disease oriented to knock down the infected mosquito on information of every suspected case of malaria or dengue, and as a preventive measures in the high risk area. Like for example, we know there's a dengue upsurge or dengue there are school complexes. So the school complexes are fogged for source reduction. So that should be that is the main idea of fogging.
Here I want to, every time you all are fogging, you all are talking only about the fogging. Fogging will only knock down the infected mosquitoes which are flying. But you must reduce the breeding sites, and for that is known as the source reduction. The cleanliness drives, and dengue is one of the vectors which breeds in small collections of water in and around us. We call it as domestic and peri-domestic. Like vases, धाकटे vase असता, कोकोनाचे बाटल्यो असता, टीन्स असता, असल्यो धाकट्यो ज्या आयदनां असता, थंय तें ब्रिडींग चड जाता. आनी ही ब्रिडिंगां आमच्या घरान नाजाल्यार घरा भोंवतणी आसता, थंय जावन एकल्यान पार्टिसिपेट करपाक जाय टू गेट रीड ऑफ दीस सोर्स. सो सोर्स रिडक्शन इज ऑल्सो very important. Fogging is not only the answer. It has to be fogging, it has to be anti-larval, source reduction, cleanliness drives. All this has to go together if we want to control, and this is what we are doing.